Hello, this is Ben Masonheimer with Cruisers Yachts, and today I'm going to walk you through the world premiere of the Cruisers Yachts 50 Cantius. Here at the stern, we have a high-low swim platform, and this high-low swim platform, as it goes down, stairs extend down to the platform, so it's great for swimming, and it also has built-in tinder chocks. Here on the transom, we have an electric barbecue with storage to either side. We have a Glendinning cable master system. Great seating area here in the cockpit with a mezzanine seat. And we have an aft galley with the refrigerators across the way. Great helm companion seating for 6 people. And we have a dual helm seat. This has the new IPS engines in it with pod drives, and it has the Garmin glass cockpit, so not only does it have joystick docking, but it has joystick steering, and all the Volvo telemetry is right inside your 16-inch Garmin displays. We also have this great seating area here too, and plenty of cup holders throughout the boat. Here's our third stateroom, bunk beds, and I would say these bunk beds are at least 6.5 feet long. They have their own hanging locker and television. Here's our V-berth, excellent headroom, 4 storage drawers below the bed, and the bed's of a great size. We have a hanging locker here to starboard with your own stereo controls and television. Love the headroom in here, and I love the windows. Here's the ensuite head. A beautiful shower, great appointments. I love the fixtures. You can access the head here as well. Okay, here's our master. As you first come in, you have a mirror. Hanging locker, amazing layout area, beautiful lounger, opening windows on either side, very large. Again, a very large bed. Our sound system is forward. We have drawer storage across the way, and we have another hanging locker here. I love these treatments on either side of the bed. This is very well done. Ensuite head. One thing to mention about the cockpit, it has a retractable sunshade, so you can push a button and your sure shade here just roll on out and cover this whole area. You also have a refrigerator out here, and all of your controls for underwater lights and different things here in the cockpit are easy at hand. Great walkways. And here's our bow area with sun sail. It has a pop-up table, pop-up backrests. I love how this hatch is stainless steel. It just looks very good. I love this stitching here as well. Here's our sunroof. So when this is open, you're not going to get a lot of wind in the boat, but you will have about a 4-foot opening to the sky. And like I said, not very windy. Alright, once again, this is Ben Masonheimer with Cruisers Yachts in Newport Beach, and this is the all-new Cruisers Cantius 50.